All right, so this is my 16-step sequencer built on an Arduino Nano. Project started a few months ago. I had a long weekend and wanted to see if I could build something just using parts I had lying around. It's been through a few iterations now. It started on this breadboard, which is now in shambles because I stole half the parts from it. But it's found its home in this box, which I stole from work, which is the reason for all these random holes all over it. But yeah, it's got 8 LEDs down here on the bottom. It uses those for all 16 steps. Really, it could be as many steps as you want, but with the simple controls, it gets pretty tedious. So I figured 16 was a good balance between functionality and practicality. Speaking of simple controls, the only controls it has are this potentiometer on the left, which is used for just pitch bending right now. And then this rotary encoder button on the right, which is used for setting your sequence, changing your BPM, and changing the step count. It's got a 1/4-inch phone jack on the right here for plugging into amps, pedals, what have you, and then a little toggle switch on the top here to power it on. It uses a 9-volt battery tucked away inside, but it also has access to the Arduino's USB port for debugging and external power. I wrote all the code myself with the help of Philip Fletcher's encoder button library. I'll include the code in the description along with some sort of wiring diagram. It uses the Nano's built-in ability to output a square wave at any given frequency, but I just found out about Mozzie yesterday, so this whole thing is obsolete, and now I'm going to have to start all over because you can do way cooler stuff with Mozzie. But yeah, this is my 16-step sequencer. It's pretty limited in what it can do, but it's fun to mess around with, and it started me down the rabbit hole of DIY synths and such, so hopefully more builds to come soon.